Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by creating the font file and importing art so you can work immediately. Open Fontlab, set units per M1000 as common, and enter baseline, ascender, and descender values to lock metrics. Next, import existing SVGs or OTF glyphs, or start drawing with the pen tool. This gives you editable outlines. Once done, organize the glyphs into a production set and name your master. This speeds kerning and interpolation later. You now shape the glyphs with precision. Use the pen, knife, and Boolean tools to build clean outlines, maintain clockwise contour direction, and remove overlaps so hints and exports behave predictably. Create components for repeated elements like diacritics and define anchors for accents so positioning is automatic. Adjust side bearings, unify stem widths, and visually balance counters. These steps ensure consistency. Make sure interpolation masters match point counts if you plan variable fonts or weight families. You finish by spacing, adding features, and exporting for use. First, set side bearings and build kerning with pair and class-based workflows. Test using long lines and varied strings to spot collisions. Then write or auto-generate open type features like Liga, Kern, Mark, and MKMK, and validate the feature code. When ready, export TTF/OTF/WAF and run Fontlab's validation and an external font validator. If errors appear, trace them to missing contours, wrong anchors, or bad unit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.